Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ZenHub Script. ZenHub Script is a powerful command line interface tool designed to automate various actions within your ZenHub workspace. It allows you to streamline repetitive tasks, such as moving issues, creating epics, or generating reports directly from your terminal. This integration significantly boosts team productivity and ensures a more efficient project management workflow, saving valuable time and effort for your development team. To get started, the installation process is straightforward, typically involving a package manager like npm or Yarn. Once installed, you'll configure your GitHub personal access token to authenticate with ZenHub. This secure token grants the script necessary permissions. Next, define your specific ZenHub workspace and repository details within a simple configuration file. This setup usually takes just a few minutes, preparing you to automate your first task with ease. ZenHub Script offers a range of powerful commands to manage your projects. You can effortlessly move issues between pipelines with a single command, or automate the creation of new issues and epics, saving precious clicks. Furthermore, it can generate insightful reports on project progress, team velocity, and burndown charts, providing valuable data for your daily stand-ups and sprint reviews. These functions significantly enhance your project oversight. To truly maximize ZenHub Script's potential, consider integrating it into your continuous integration pipeline for automated workflows. You can also craft custom scripts tailored to your team's unique processes, addressing specific needs that out-of-the-box solutions might miss. Remember to regularly review and update your scripts to ensure they remain efficient and aligned with any changes in your ZenHub setup or team practices, ensuring long-term benefits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.